This is a 1950 Hudson Commodore Custom four-door sedan with an option I had not heard of before, and that's a semi-automatic transmission called SuperDrive. Here you see the details. The car has an 8-cylinder engine they've had for quite a while. Very dependable, well built. And this semi-automatic had an interesting feature in that you used the clutch to engage it in start-off gear, but then you didn't need it for shifting. Very similar in some ways to the fluid drive and semi-automatic of Chrysler Corporation. The following year, in 1951, they would begin offering the hydromatic transmission from General Motors. The interior of the car is really gorgeous. And of course, this has Hudson's step-down design, which put the passengers within a perimeter frame. A very safe car because you were surrounded by the frame of the car rather than sitting on top of the chassis. Probably the safest car of all at that period of time. Notice the very huge drop-down armrest in the back seat. The upholstery is beautiful. These cars were really ahead of their time. The unit body, really the first unit body around. There was weight savings because of that. The car was very fast, including the 6-cylinder that they had. Won many races as a stock car. But the thing that was probably a difficult thing to overcome was the styling, which was kind of slab-sided styling, which was difficult to change on an annual basis, which is what made Detroit run at the time. Certainly a beautiful car and the top of the line for Hudson.